Hey guys, this is Neil. So today we are going to talk about AWS region. So AWS is a global cloud provider and therefore it has many data centers all around the world. And if you look at this map, these are called regions. The blue dots are regions that exist today and the orange ones are the one that are coming soon. So the regions are each of them as it's a set of data center. And so there's a naming convention for all the regions. So if we go to the AWS console, we see here generally like AP South 1, EU West 3, this North Virginia. These are all the region and you can see the name as well. So each of the region alongside with the region code. So region, what is a region? Region is a cluster of data centers and we'll see how they are clustered in a second. And most of the AWS service we are going to use are region scope. So that means if you are using a service in a specific region, and if you want to use that same service into another region, you will not see your data. So to see your data into that particular region, you have to recreate your infrastructure in a different region. So now we come to another topic, which is availability zone. So each region can have many availability zones. We refer to them as AZ. AZ is a short term for availability zone. So usually it's going to be 3 AZ per region, but sometimes you see 2 and sometimes you see 6 of them. So here is an example. Like I live in India, so for the region of AP South 1, which represents the Mumbai region, which is the nearest one. So this region this region has 3 availability zone. One is AP South 1, with if you see here, one is AP South 1 and another the second one is AP South 1B, and and the third one is AP1C. So as we can see here, the regions with a number and AZ or availability zone with a letter of A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so each AZ is one or more. Each AZ has one or more discrete data center. So imagine it's like a bunch of computers in a one big room. That's the data center. But all of these AZ and availability zone are separate from each other, and that's why they are isolated from disaster. But they are still connected with one and another with low latency network and high bandwidth. So now let's go to that AWS management console. So you can see in here, like we have the availability zone listed in here. So I am already in the Mumbai, so you can see all of the availability zone available. What we understood from this is how AWS works, the region and the availability zone, which I think really important to understand before you get started using the AWS. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.